Hello everyone, and welcome to daily webinar again. So yesterday it's been an amazing daily webinar again. So whole this week was an amazing. I'm really happy, guys, that you have make some profit out of this webinar. I see a lot of you also learned, so that's the big benefit which I want to achieve. Okay, so that's the purpose of the webinar, and this is it. So let's see what happened today on the market. We will go through all the setups to see what you can trade today and which setups you can take or where you can take some money. And let's see what happened basically yesterday on the market and what we've been watching closely, where we took some money. And once again, congratulations for all those who've been with us since yesterday and made money and also learned. That's it. Okay, so first at the beginning, let me just please you, those who are watching me on YouTube, please hit that like button. That will help someone to help. Okay, this means that YouTube algorithm will recommend that video to someone who is also struggling about trading. And yeah, that's it. And use the live chat. If you have any question, do not hesitate, just feel free to ask. I'm here to help you and support you. And for those who are also interested to join our community, our trading team, simply go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. Link is under the video, and just go simply to the membership tab and choose the membership that fits with you, and I will add you to our community. You will of course also gain the access to all the educational videos, all educational materials and daily webinars and so on. Okay, so read the description there on the website. You'll see which benefits you will have, and those benefits are definitely all you need to become a profitable and professional trader if you do want. Okay, so let's go. Let's see now where we took money. There was a lot of indices drop down yesterday really nicely, so amazing profit was out there. Okay, so if you do know what we've been talking about, this correction to break down, took a profit. Okay, so good job. Okay, good job. If you wasn't there, you can still learn out something. Just go back, watch previous previous daily webinar since yesterday. On YouTube you will find the recording, and on TradingView you will find the recording. So just go watch it, what we've been talking about and how we took the trade. Okay, so there was some profit. SP500 did an amazing job also. So there was a strong correction over there. As you can see, it's a 1 hour correction. Okay, so a beautiful correction. It's there, a flag, 1 hour flag, and it just break down. Okay, so you will be able to join it on the way down. Same there, Nasdaq 100, just a little bit slower movement was there. There was the running flat in the making. Okay, so there was the running flat correction. It just break down. German 30 as well, as you can see there, flag, nice flag in the making, just started breaking lower. You're supposed to take off your profit already. Okay, so this trade is supposed to not be close on break even. Okay, so if this trade will be close on break even, then you're doing something wrong and you have to fix that. Okay, fix this, because closing these trades on break even, it's what will not make you consistent profitable. UK 100, nothing there. Okay, and EU 50, same there. Flag was there, flag was there. Okay, so all the flags was there. There was two strong reactions. So yeah, like I said, take off your profit until you have a time. Aussie also 200, same there. Okay, so this was since yesterday, and yeah, there are a couple more trades that we took, but I ain't gonna go and talk about everyone. We will also go and watch what we are having there. Okay, so this is just for the educational purpose only. I please give views on that USDT. Okay, I will just give me a couple of minutes and we will watch that for you, no worries. Let me just quickly show you what is active there on my published idea story on the TradingView. No, I mean story, I mean posts. So what is there? CAD. We are still waiting to correction appear over there. Okay, so still want to see the correction on lower time frame to appear over there. Flag or consolidation, it's what we are waiting before we'll trigger the trades. Euronoken did an amazing job. Okay, so I have posted that yesterday afternoon. I have posted it one, and there's the nice tag. Okay, so those who've been with us now since last few webinars, they understand what we are doing and how we are taking the trades. So there's also a reminder. Okay, wait for lower time frame flag to confirm the sell. So what happened basically? Okay, it just dropped down. Okay, so let me just show you and teach you out of this something. So let me just bring that idea over there so you will know what I'm saying. Okay, so this was the idea which we have been talking about, and let's learn now from this one. Okay, so wait for lower time correction. Okay, the time when I have posted the idea was there. Okay, so somewhere there is where I posted the idea, and then the correction appeared. Okay, correction appeared, and you have a lot of time to trigger the trade. All those are possibilities to enter the trade, and after all, you enter it, you made a nice profit. Congratulations. Okay, I'm really proud of you. I'm really happy, guys, that you are making profit, especially from those kind of the webinars. Okay, this is the point of those webinars. I want to share with you the money, the knowledge, and to see you making money. Okay, this is the point of the webinar. So we have a question: do you think it's good time to short the cat after all the oil prices rising up? Let's see. I do expect that the cat will rise. Okay, I'm expecting cat to rise. So let me check there quickly what we are having on the cat pairs. Okay, so Aussie cat, I think that this one will go lower. Okay, see, yesterday it went up. We've been saying about this one, went up, went lower, and still struggling there. I don't see the buy yet there. Okay, so when this will be the buy, if it breaks up and going higher, okay, only then we will have a buy over there. If not, then leave it. Okay, leave it. This is the direction. Still the direction is to the downside. I still didn't change anything. I'm still pointing to the downside. So New Zealand cat, what do we have there? Yeah, this one can break lower. Okay, we are still waiting there. We will watch the cryptos. Okay, so no worries, guys. No worries, guys. So sorry, I'll just close this one. We don't need it anymore, and I will close also that one. Okay, so cat pairs, yeah, I'm watching this to break lower. Okay, break lower also there. We said also we are anticipating a breakdown over there. Your cat, it's trying to break, but momentum, it's not good. Okay, so I don't love this momentum. Okay, I want to see the strong moves. Okay, that could be possible. There it will be some running flat, but I'm not yet interested. We'll see. If this goes aggressively lower, then yes. Pound cat, of course, there's the sell, still the sell stop. So based on that, based on all those sells, I do anticipate that in 20 minutes the cat will rises. Okay, the cat rises and will shot the pound cat, euro cat downside, New Zealand cat, and Aussie cat to the downside. Okay, so we are also having the cat. Those will probably rise. Okay, those will probably rise. Depends now on the news. Okay, we ain't gonna go and read the news, what they will talk about. We will just watch the chart. We'll see what they are trying to tell us. Okay, but definitely it's a good sell stop. USD cat, we've been in this trade already. Okay, in the morning I have posted for my traders inside of the Trading Academy for this sell breakdown. We are already in the trade. Now we will have to track it. Okay, we have to track it. We have to see what the price will do during the news. Okay, news can just push the market deeper. Okay, that's why what we are anticipating. Okay, this to go all the way down back at least at this low. Okay, that's our anticipations, what we are doing. Okay, so these two push lower during the news. Okay, keep an eye there. That could just drop down. You can trigger the sell if there it will be the aggressive move which will kick in. And what else we have from the cat? Oh, that's everything from the cat. US oil. So what oil is trying to do is, I still think that this is the expanded flat, and this will push lower. Okay, this will push lower. Okay, this will push lower, and based on that, I think that cat will really go to the upside. Okay, so cat going up, oil going down, and push all those pairs into our direction. If not, we will simply not be trading. Okay, we will simply just not be opening the trades over there. We will stay away from them. Okay, so that's simple as it is. Don't force the trade. Don't get in before something is not completed. Okay, so people are usually getting into the market when something is not completed, not even confirmed. Okay, so that could be the biggest problem. Please check that USD. Okay, I will check it now for you. I hope it's not that immediately. Okay, so let's see. We have that USDT to check for the guys. Okay, so let's see what we're having currently there. Oh, it's really rising aggressively. going higher, but that's still not confirmed yet. Okay, so don't buy there. Okay, don't buy until you will have a clear flag. Wait for flag before you buying. Okay, this still can drop lower. Okay, you may think that this is the buy which will go, they call, to the moon, but that couldn't be true. Okay, until you will find the flag. Flag will confirm that we will have this longer term direction over there on the VET, so you'll be continuously buying it. But for now, until we don't have that flag, I can still assume that this is the running flat and one more down can appear. And be careful, especially if you are buying it over there. Okay, if you are buying it, be careful. It's still possibility for the sell and you don't have a buy setup. If you catch it from somewhere there, you did a good job. Watch it, place it on break even, and at least watch it. Okay, don't just leave it there. It could start reversing. Okay, so I hope that I've answered your question. So what we will have over there, also a question for the Bitcoin USD. Okay, so here it is. It went up. Okay, it went up. We've been anticipating to break this low. Okay, we were anticipating to break that low on the Bitcoin since yesterday. So what it did, okay, so what it did yesterday during the day, and once we were talking, okay, so we were watching to sell, but at the evening you got there the triangle, okay, the contracting flat basically. Okay, you got the contracting flat and this was your buy. Okay, you're supposed to take that buy if you are a crypto trader. It's a wonderful opportunity, so taking a buy there brings you a nice profit over there, just at least 8% there, and the other crypto as well. Okay, the other crypto did the same movement. So watching the Bitcoin, it's really important, especially if you are a crypto trader only focusing on the crypto. Hello also to you. So hope you are doing good. I hope you're also in profit, because the most of the people that are watching are in the profit. So yeah, the crypto now, what to do is, let me just quickly see what we can anticipate. So is this the total buy? I'm not sure yet. So let me just clean that mess a little bit. So let me just move on the higher time frame. Let's see what possibility exists that we can start pushing higher. Okay, so quite possible scenario is that the Bitcoin can start its movement to the upside. So what you're supposed to do, what the crypto guys needs to do and be careful of, is watch for the buy setups. Okay, watch for the buy setups. First you need to see some confirmation, some flag before you will take the trade back at the previous high. Okay, so that's the move which we are anticipating, and that's the confirmation which you have to wait for. Don't trigger the trade without having the clear solid flag over there. Okay, that's what you need, because this can still break to the downside and you could be stuck over there with the crypto trades. Okay, crypto trades could be in some problems. Okay, so same there is no any other decisions, okay, or direction. It's the same. Yesterday there was some confirmation and it went higher. We were expecting this to break the top. What was the reason? So this is for the educational behavior. We have an impulse 1 2 3. There is the contracting flat in the middle. It went for one more up, and this is the 1 2 3 together, everything for the downside. So that's the reason. Being careful on crypto with buys, it's really important. Okay, if this will give you the flag, yes, you can take a buy. Okay, if this doesn't give you the flag for the buy, then just stay away from buying it. Okay, the whole crypto is the same. I don't need to repeat itself all the time. Okay, so I don't need to repeat same stuff all the time. You have to learn this stuff. ADA USDT, this one can go higher. Okay, this one can go higher, break that top, give you the bigger correction, and then one more low. Okay, can I go for the buy? Yes, definitely. If you find there the flag for the buy or consolidation, sideways consolidation, you can take a buy. Okay, give it a chance and see how far this can go. Same there. Okay, Link USDT, they all did the same. Okay, so yes, they all did the same. Okay, so here's the flag. That's what we are waiting for. Okay, flag, take the trade. Wherever you take it on the breakout, you can take it easily or break above the high. You are in the profit, and now you have to watch it carefully. Okay, watch it carefully because it can just reverse to the downside, and your eyes needs to be there on the crypto. Luna USDT, yep, let's just me a quick look. I have to add it. I just delete some crypto pairs because I have too big list. Okay, you guys give me and make me a big list over there, so that was the reason why I have to take off some of them. Luna USDT, what we are having over there, let's see. Some slow volatility is there, as I can see. Okay, this is going higher, of course, but be aware of the previous top. Being aware of the previous top, it's what you need. There is the clear flag, continuation to the upside. You had a flag there. Okay, yeah, today in the morning there was the flag, one more flag there. You have double flags over there. So if you are in the trade, great, congratulations. Put your trade on the on the break even, or at least if you are behind your screens, watch it. Okay, watch it and see if it is reacts once it will come back at the top. Okay, so it's supposed to not give you any reactions over there, and sell stops especially, because it can go lower, tag the low, and then going higher. Okay, so that's the big problem which could appear, and keep an eye on it. Okay, but congratulations if you're in the trade, enjoy your profit definitely. So yeah, mostly the whole crypto is the same. The whole crypto I can answer with one question. If you find the flag, okay, so on the crypto we have this movement. If you get the flag, buy all of them. Okay, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy altcoins, whatever you want. You can just take a trade. Okay, I mean, just don't blindly buy all of them. You have to keep them, of course, and watch them on your eyes. So what about XRP? XRP question, let's see. XRP, where is it? Here it is. Yeah, the same. Okay, that hasn't changed, but you see, okay, so all of them are having this kind of correction. Okay, the whole crypto is now like this one. We have an impulse, we have a flag over there, and we are exactly over there, so be careful. This could follow by the previous impulse and we can go lower, and this is where you're located at, and buying there needs some additional focus over there. Okay, so you need some additional focus before you will be buying, because if you bought there, you will have a really dangerous entry, because it can reverse exactly from your entry point, and that's the reason. So how to prevent this? Wait for the flag, get into the trade after you will have a flag. That will help you figure out that problem or solve that problem, let's say like that. Okay, the whole crypto is the same, so basically I just watch the Bitcoin and I can forecast all of them. Okay, Richard is asking, we must always wait for complete flat pattern followed by flag to place the trade, correct? Yes, that's correct. Okay, that's correct. You see, you are improving your knowledge. That's great. I love it. Okay, I love that you are understanding, you are improving your knowledge. This is what I love. Perfect. Well done, Richard. So one more question is, please tell ABT care USDT. Okay, let me just add it. I don't have it, but we can watch that for you, no worries. So we are watching ABT USDT, probably, or air block. Yes. Definitely the sell. Okay, that could be the sell. Be careful. It can just slightly push higher, but definitely it could be the sell over there. So daily, what we are having there, yeah, well, momentum basically didn't die out. Okay, so, and I don't see the buy setup yet. Okay, there's no buy setup. One more low can appear there quickly, and then may buy start itself. Okay, so this is the structure where we are in, and this move to the downside can appear. This is just small move, and then we can consider watching the buys over there. And one more KAR USDT. So what we're having there on that coin over there as well. 1 hour, nothing yet. Okay, nothing yet. This is still in the making of the correction. Let's see. Yeah, interesting, but correction is what you need. If you find the flag, take a trade back at the previous stop, congratulations, you will make a money. Okay, but until You will not have that flag, you can't do anything. Okay, so especially on 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. Okay, so there is where you want to see the flag. Okay, well, you want to see the flag over there on those time frames before you will triggering the buy. But yes, also as well, you have to be careful. If this goes higher, you have to watch it as well, because why? This could just go up, 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 and stop somewhere there. Okay, it could stop somewhere there. Why? Because this is a running flat. Okay, so this is a running flat, and one more low before we are going higher. Keep in mind, are just ignoring it too much, so be careful. So let's go. Let's switch now to the Forex. Okay, so hope that I have answered all your answers that you guys have. Okay, I see that people on YouTube are quite active. Hope that people on TradingView are there as well. Okay, I see that I have some problems with the chat. Okay, chat is keep loading, so I hope that it works. Okay, hope it works. Okay, what happened there now? I think that I have just disconnected there. What happened? Okay, guys, are we live on TradingView? Okay, TradingView, is there everything working fine? I hope that TradingView works fine, because I see some errors there from the chat. What's going on? Not buying yet, just thinking about long-term investment on XRP, so just looking if it can go in a little lower correction. Thank you for your information, very helpful. This is it, perfect. That's what I was anticipating. Any update on your DXY prediction? Yes, we will go now straight to the DXY. I just want to see that people on, yeah, okay, it works now. I have some errors. I don't know what's happening with the TradingView. There were some problems, cannot load, or basically I cannot pop out the live chat on TradingView, but it doesn't matter. If it works, I don't care. Okay, if it works, I don't care. Okay, YouTube is working fine, so perfect. So just a second, guys. I'm talking too much. I have to grab a sip of water. Just give me a breath. Okay, so let's continue. DXY. Okay, DXY is the big question of many traders over there right now. What I see there, I still see the sell, so you don't need to be afraid that you will miss anything, and just don't jump there in this trade. Okay, so don't sell it. That ain't ready yet. Okay, so this is not ready yet. When this will be ready, you have to wait for the correction, at least 15 minutes, 30 minutes on 1 hour. It's what you need. Okay, before you will start selling it. We are still in this correction, okay, this daily correction. And now, what is the question? Okay, so what is the question now? Is this top, or is this the end of the third wave? Nobody knows yet. Okay, nobody knows yet, and that's the answer why you're supposed to not jumping into the trade from there. Okay, you can predict or assume that this is the top, this is the end of the third movement. Okay, this could become more complicated than you thought. Okay, because this is the first movement, second movement, and the third one is in the making, but it's not yet confirmed, and this could stay there quite a while. Okay, it can start to struggle, give you some complications, and it can also give you some running flat, going one more high and then going lower. Okay, so that's the reason why jumping into DXY makes no sense until you will find the lower time frame correction or a flag. Okay, but this can just stay there going higher, 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 higher. Okay, can it start dropping low? Yes, it can, but you will not miss the trade if that happens. Okay, so if you watch the lower time frame, 30 minutes, let me give you a quick look. What do we have there? Is there the sell setup? Of course it's not. Okay, this still, it's showing one more buy over there. Okay, for me that still looks like a 1 2 3 for the buy, and that's the reason why you're supposed to not be a seller on DXY, you got stuck if you'll start selling. Okay, and maybe you'll start blaming as well. Yo, the guys say me that the XR will go down and so on and blah 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 blah. Okay, so this everything it's true, but be careful. Be careful. Okay, so you want to see the clear flag over there. Okay, if this starts to crack like that, yes, give it a chance, take a trade, go for the sell, and then you'll decide how far it go, how fast it goes. If it goes slowly, struggling down, 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 struggling, 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 then you can anticipate one more high over there. But until you will have that clear flag, you can do anything. Okay, so just stay away. Okay, so my traders are staying away now, just watching. Okay, we in our academy, we are just watching the DXY. We are waiting what the politicians are trying to do, and yeah, we are completely away from trading it. Okay, we are away from trading this one. So let's go now with the Aussie USD. So any questions, use the chat. That's it. So let's move forward. What do we have there? Aussie USD, nothing is there. So we were watching that flag over there, didn't complete. Okay, so then it appears 1, 2, 3 for one more buy. Did we took that buy? Of course we didn't. Okay, this is just the DXY movement, and we are not interested for this kind of the movement. So what we can do, basically we can stay away from it. Okay, that we can stay away from it basically, and in the future that may go lower, but it's too far away. We will watch that on Sunday. Okay, so Sunday we are having again the free weekly market outlook. So everyone, it's welcome to join us on Sunday. We will see what the Aussie USD is doing, but for now I will stay away from it. It's non-tradable, so just leave it how it is. Let it do whatever it wants to do, then we will be in the trade. Okay, so Aussie Chief, that one seems it needs to go lower. There is no buy yet. Okay, so this may be some kind of the flat sorry for the buy, but let's see what the lower time frame is saying. Okay, so yeah, that may be some buy, but not so strong. Okay, so not so strong. Let's see the development there today. Okay, so today you would love to see there the correction and then take out. Okay, take out of the structure if this is so. If not, then it will just drop, correct, and then going lower. Okay, so you have only two possibilities. Watch it and see which one of those will appear over there on the market. Aussie Cat, I'm anticipating this to drag lower. Okay, so this to keep on pushing lower, because we are seeing this structure which is showing me the downside, and buy it's not active yet. Okay, so buy it's not active yet. Would love to see the Aussie Cat going lower. So 1 hour, what we are having there, yeah, watch this correction over there. Okay, so let this to drop, correct, and take a sell. Okay, this is what you need. Follow it, just simply wait for the correction and flag and follow it for the sell. Okay, so if there will be any buy flags, ignore it. Okay, so I do recommend you ignore those buys. Usually the market is just confusing us. It's just throwing some fake movements. And stick to the higher time frame. Okay, always stick to the higher time frame. That's gonna help you a lot. So OZN, what we are having over there, oh, let me just give the higher time frame. There are too much of charts. Okay, so too much of trend lines, I mean, so that could go higher. Okay, that could go higher. You see this one? So how far? This will be the 1, 2, and we are going back at this high. So be aware, Aussie can continue its way to the upside over there. So you can follow the buy flags. Okay, if you find any buy flags on lower time frame, especially on the 15 minute, 30 minute, you can follow it. So wait for it, take a buy. Aussie New Zealand, nothing there. We are staying away from the Aussie New Zealand. It's not tradable for us, so we are just completely ignoring it. New Zealand USD, definitely a bigger correction for more downside. Okay, so there is the bigger correction in the making. Okay, so this could stay there and then still going lower. Okay, these two still go lower. I don't see the buy setup yet. Okay, there's no buy setup. We'll still stick to the sells. Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. It can just slightly push higher. Okay, don't go for the buy. This could just go back, give you the flag, going up, flag, up, and then break down. Okay, so that how it can appear during the day, or let's say next week, it's much more likely. We don't have a lot of time left until market close, so yeah, maybe this is what will happen today. New Zealand cat, wait for this break to the downside, still nothing, and if it do appear, then watch it, close the trade if there will be the stable breakout. Okay, New Zealand chief struggling there. Yeah, it's a sell over there, right? This is some expanded flat 1 2 3, and this still has to go lower. Still has to go lower, of course, right? So watch these two to start breaking lower. These two keep on dragging lower. Flag is what you need to follow. New Zealand yen. Watch for the sell stop as well. So yeah, breaking this low, it's quite possible. So if this starts breaking down there, if there any aggressive candle will appear, you can take a sell. Take a sell, but not there. Let it break more, and then you can follow the sell all the way down, and then you'll see what the price is trying to do. Euro USD, stay away from it totally until the DXY it's not clear enough, or let's say until the DXY didn't give us confirmation which direction it will go. Stay away from the Euro USD. Okay, it's not tradable yet. Okay, let's say all dollar pairs are not tradable. Okay, that doesn't mean only Euro USD, New Zealand USD, Pound USD. Okay, Aussie USD. Rather stay away from it. I do recommend you staying away from it because the XY didn't confirm any movement, so that was the reason why you have to stay away from that. What else do we have there? Let's go. Euro chief. There was the correction. Okay, so now it's the correction again. Can this continue its weight downside? Yes, of course, definitely. There is the big 4-hour structural move which will drag pair to downside. Okay, so I still see that this is the expanded flat and we are just continuously pushing lower. Break this low and then we will see what the price is trying to do. So follow the sell flex. Okay, so follow the sell flex. There's already one in the making. If it drops, correct, sell, sell, sell all the way to break the previous low over there. Easy. Here in New Zealand, still the sell. Okay, it's still the sell. I want to see this to keep on dragging lower. Okay, follow the sell flex. Nothing yet there. If it corrects, sell it. Okay, you can even sell it there on the strong break to the downside. Euro yen, definitely a sell. Okay, so wait for it on 15 minutes. Something is trying to appear. It can get bigger and then you can sell. Easy one. So follow it. How far we are following it? Back to the previous low. Okay, back to the previous low. Euro GBP going lower. Definitely there was the flag over there in the morning. Okay, so that's again good stuff, or beneficial thing to being the member of our academy. Okay, so we've been watching in the morning this flag. Okay, in the morning we've been tracking that Euro GBP flag which was appearing over there, and we took the trade. Okay, we took opportunity and we are in the trade now. We will see what the price is trying to do during the day, and those who are not in, what you're supposed to do is, if this corrects, you can take a trade. Okay, back at the trend lines probably it will go, and then we will have to decide. Okay, so slow, don't rush. Euro Nokian, all you know what to do, or what was the setup. Okay, so it's being updated. Okay, so it's being updated. So now what to do is wait for the flag and more downside there. Okay, so more downside if correction appears. If not so, then leave it. Let it do whatever it wants to do, and that will be all. Just give me a second. So just a second. So let's continue. Sorry for that. So like we said, correction and continuation to the downside. Euro, Polish zloty, wait for the sell stops. Okay, sell stops. I think this is all the correction we have. We need a deeper correction, so correction, take more sells. Euro, Aussie, this is trying to do some weird stuff over there. Okay, so I don't like it. Take it off. If you have a trade over there open, it's struggling by the previous low, that's not good. And if you have any open trade there, take off your profit. Okay, take off your profit. That's not moving, and it's just pulling back. We'll probably go back at the top, and we'll see. Okay, so nothing is there. Momentum, it's dead. Here, cat, still nothing. Okay, cat can reverse now, going higher and then lower. We'll see basically. Okay, so nothing was there. The break didn't appear during the news, so no trades are there. No trades. New high. Pound New Zealand, let's see this one, what the price is trying to do. Okay, so these two start breaking lower. How far to push? I can see this one pushing quite deeper. Okay, even breaking this low, so follow the sell flags over there on Pound New Zealand. Pound Yen, spike up, spike down. What do we have there now? Nothing. Okay, so there was some sell stops since yesterday. Okay, yesterday there was a nice flag breakdown. If you took a profit, okay, you're supposed to take off your profit. If you take a break even, it doesn't matter. You can still watch for the sell stops. There's no buy stop when the buy will come, if this give us the buy stop. But until we don't have a buy stop or a flag or consolidation, whatever, you can say it's the buy. It's just the single flag or just a single candle, which couldn't continue to the upside. So Pound Chief, what's supposed to do? There's not much to do. Okay, so it went lower. You're supposed to close the break even. Now what to do? Nothing. Okay, so just leave it. Okay, don't do anything over there right now. That ain't gonna do anything important, or if there's any setup. Pound was the same, there's no setup. I'll just quickly move to the pairs which are not having the setup. Pound USD, we said we are not trading because of the dollar. So next one, Pound CAD, we are still waiting for this drop if it appears. Okay, if it appears. If not, then just leave it. Okay, it could reverse to the upside, but then we need a flag. Okay, we need now impulse to appear and then push higher. CAD Chief, let it drop, let it correct, take a sell. CAD Yen, same there, watch for the flag. Okay, so CAD is reversing, so as I can see, there is the selling flag. Okay, there is the selling flag. If CAD continuously pushing, then this will be the break and continuation to the downside. Okay, now that relies on the CAD. Okay, this to keep on pushing lower. We'll see. Watch this flag there. Okay, watch this 15-minute flag over there during the day today, or by the end of the evening you will know where this is going. Probably in next 2 hours will be clearly visible what this is trying to do, or what the cat is trying to do, and then you can try to follow it, and back at the previous low it's where your target will be. Chief Yen, nothing special there. You don't have any correction yet, so wait for it. Okay, wait for the correction to confirm the direction. There's not much to trade there. It's the end of the week, so yeah, that's the reason why. Chief Nokian, maybe there you will find some sell stops. That's the Nokian movement. Okay, so here's the completed correction. So what to do? Wait for the flag and then take the trade. Okay, so during the day today you can see lower time frame correction over there before you will take the trade. Okay, so wait for the correction. USD CAD, nothing is there. Okay, so you can do anything. Okay, you can do anything, just you can watch it. That's all what you can do. Okay, so let's do whatever it wants to do. It may drop, it may continue to the upside. Now is the tricky spot. But if it drops aggressively to the downside, you can take a sell over there below the low. Okay, if it drops aggressively, you can take a sell over there below the low, and that's all. USD Chief already pushing lower. This is the move which will appear. Okay, so follow the sell flags. Okay, you can wait for the 15-minute to 30-minute self setups, follow it all the way back at the trend line or close to this low. Okay, it could stop even before to give us the running flat, going for one more high, going one more drop, and then going lower. Okay, so we are having the running flat in the middle of the running flat. Okay, so this is the running flat, and that's not the move which is trying to appear. Okay, so now the running flat will appear, plays out, going higher. Okay, and then going lower, give us the bigger running flat, and then they will go. Okay, correction can get more complicated than we thought, so track it. You can go for the sell, but without having the sell stop you can go. Okay, so If you will not have it, don't do anything. Okay, so if you don't have a sell flag over there, don't do anything. Let do whatever it wants to do. It's not gonna fall totally, at least not yet. Okay, I don't see the fall over there falling. It's not what we are anticipating right now, but we'll see. Okay, so let it drop first. That's it. So USDN definitely a sell. Okay, USDN definitely a sell. What you have to do is just wait for this flag, take a sell. It could drop down really aggressively, and yeah, why not to make money there on the USDN. I do recommend you watching the USDN, especially today. Okay, today during the day, this could still appear. Okay, that's still possible. Sorry, still possible. Flag there, 1 hour flag, it will be that probably. Okay, so flag, and then more downside is what you will have on the USDN. Okay, so keep an eye there. USD and watch for the sell stop, let it do whatever it wants to do. Now it's trying to go for the bigger correction. Okay, so or stay there, go for the bigger correction, and then they will go. Okay, keep an eye there. Watch this flag over there. Okay, watch this. It can break down aggressively. You may take a trade, give it opportunity. If it is not moving close to break even, it's gonna go for the bigger trade, bigger correction, and then they will go. Okay, so your eye is supposed to be there on the USD. Okay, so USD, that's your focus now on this 15-minute flag. Okay, Mexican, nothing there, just leave it, let it do whatever it wants to do. Any correction you can take a sell. Turkish lira, there was some sell stops. Now you don't have anything. Okay, let it drop more, let it correct, and then you will sell. Okay, next week trades. Okay, so be there with us on Sunday. We will watch this closely. Nothing there. Okay, this can just reverse the downside, so no more buys. Okay, so if you were a buyer there, that's gone. If this corrects, go for the sell rather. USD there, nothing yet. Okay, so most trades are gone for today. Silver, same there, same good benefit being the part of our academy. This is what we took over there in the morning today. Okay, this flag, and then we took this setup over there. Okay, so 1 hour flag was there, which has confirmed the move to the upside. We are now in the profit, and we are watching the trade. Okay, we will put it on break even if it is needed. If it is needed. Mario, good morning also to you, but I'm not having the morning over there yet. So good morning anyway. What you can do, those who are not in the trade, okay, so still be careful. This could drop down as well. Yes, you hear it properly, because this could become one running flat, and one more downside can appear there on the silver. So be careful how you are buying. Okay, so every buy needs to be taken only with the setup. Don't chase the price without having the setup, because anytime soon it can just start reversing. So if you miss this one in the morning, then you can do anything. Wait for another one, and then you can take a trade. Okay, so that could become some kind of the running flat over there. 30-minute probably will this be. Okay, so something like this, running flat, and then they go. Okay, so this is what you can do. This is the maximum. But don't feel any frustrations that you are not in the trade. Okay, so you will have opportunity to enter the trade. So stay patient always. Same there, gold's trying to break out. So what you're having currently, okay, you can watch the gold, but be careful. Once you take it with cautious. You have to monitor it. Okay, so put it on your screen, watch it. If it starts to giving some pullbacks, close it immediately. Okay, that could be a dangerous trade. Okay, so momentum is not that good. Still running flat can appear over there. Okay, so look at that one where we are. We still has the potential. We have still the potential to break the low. This to become a running flat, and one more break to the downside, break the low, and then bigger sell, then this sell, and then we'll go to the upside. So gold can get quite complicated. Be aware of it. Okay, so be aware of it. This running flat, keep in mind that. Okay, so make a screenshot with your brain. That may help you. So yeah, you take a buy, watch it, definitely watch it. Any aggressive reversals, close it with small loss or break even. Sugar, nothing there yet. It's still the downside until will give us the buy flag over there. Okay, so nothing yet there. Oil, we've been saying already. Okay, this to correct, going lower. Same there. UK oil correct, going lower. Okay, so follow sell setups. Okay, follow those sell stops, and then these two pushing lower. US 30, they are gone. Okay, so if you miss them since yesterday, indices are not for you this week. Okay, at least not today. Okay, next week we will watch them, what they are trying to do. They are gone. They are non-tradable for today. Okay, you know that today it's last few hours we're having the market open, and then the market will close, so don't chase the market on Friday that much. Okay, so a couple of setups, I think 2-3 setups are what we can watch on. We passed the Bitcoin already. We've been talking about the Bitcoin. That's it, and this is it from those daily webinars. Do you guys have any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer your questions, and I will be happy if all of you guys will be there with me on Sunday. On Sunday we will have a weekly market outlook, quite the same webinar like we have those days. Okay, quite same webinar like we have this week will be on Sunday. So any questions, just go ask. And please, those who can, please hit that like button on YouTube. I'll be really happy if you can hit the like button. This will help someone to recommend that video. Okay, so who is also struggling and who want to learn something totally special and totally new. So probably this is it. We have no questions. If you don't have a question, I will end the webinar over there, and we'll see you on Sunday. So take care, guys. Enjoy your day and enjoy your weekend. Hello, trying to go on your site, get the free course, couldn't do it. Free courses are now, that's the old. Okay, so free courses are now every Sunday. Okay, so this is what we are now giving to you. Okay, before there was some videos like weekly webinars basically. Okay, we have them only on website. Now we move totally on the YouTube, free for all, so nobody needs to register, and this is what you will get out of free course. Okay, so you also have some educational webinars there on my YouTube channel, so check it, see if that helps you. That's supposed to help you. And of course every webinar is educational, so you can learn a lot out of those webinars. Richard is saying great job, thumbs up, thank you very much. I really do appreciate that those webinars helps you to improve your knowledge. Perfect, well done. So Mario, yeah, just check it, watch the recordings. Definitely you will find in every webinar something educational, and you will learn. If you have any questions, you can also, guys, send me the private message there on TradingView. You can send me the private message on Telegram. On Telegram you'll just have to join on the link below, join the Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel you'll find the pinned message with my contact information, and you can send me the private message, or you can send me as well. You can send me also an email as well. You will just have to go to the website and find the contact there, and you can send me the email. Okay, so this is it. Hope, guys, you have enjoyed this whole week with those daily webinars which we had. It's been a really good, and I'm really happy, guys, that you took a lot of profit over there this week with us, and that was the point of those webinars. Okay, to make some money for general public. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and see you on Sunday. Hit that like button, please. Take care, enjoy, bye bye.